Today let's talk about a powerful feature of Epiphan Pearl that simplifies your video workflow: configuration presets. Config presets let you quickly save and apply groups of settings to your Pearl, ensuring a consistent setup every time. This is perfect for multi-Pearl deployments, event setups, or quickly loading settings for different users, content types, or brands. Presets can include various settings like inputs, channels, recording and streaming destinations, layouts, and more. You can mix and match these groups to create custom presets tailored to your specific needs. You can save and apply Pearl settings locally, or you can upload presets to Epiphan Edge, where they'll be accessible to your whole team. You can also download a preset file for offline configuration. Imagine for a moment you're deploying video capture across a campus. Just create a preset for your typical room configuration, including inputs, recording settings, and network configurations. Then apply the preset to each device upon installation to get up and running quickly. Or maybe you're capturing the main stage and breakout rooms at a conference. Have your on-site techs handle the physical setup. Once your devices are online, you can remotely apply presets that include branded layouts, streaming destinations, and automatic file upload for your recordings. This makes things easier for your team on site and gives you peace of mind that your settings are dialed in correctly. We also have the option to apply presets using an integrated room control system. This is perfect for shared spaces where maybe you have different users who need to quickly apply settings for their content type, streaming destinations, or visual branding. Applying a preset is simple. Just navigate to your device in Epiphan Edge. Click the Presets tab, and you'll see all your team presets and local presets on the device. Just click Apply. Or if you need an offline configuration, you can simply insert a USB stick with your config and then apply the preset directly on the device. You'll notice that within each preset, you can see which setting groups are included. When you apply a preset, your other settings are left untouched. This flexibility is perfect for multi-user environments where different setups are needed frequently, but you don't necessarily want to reconfigure the system, network, or other baseline settings. Configuration presets can really streamline your device management, making it easy to manage deployments and Pearl setups across various locations and applications. Whether for events, multi-user environments, campus deployments, or multi-brand setups, Epiphan Pearl presets have you covered.